What is going on, guys?
Welcome back to the channel.
So we got a new camera. It's well, you can't see it because you're behind the camera, but it's the Sony ZV-1. This is like the ultimate camera for vloggers, I guess. So I am not downgrading because my Sony a7S II is like 3 or 4 years old, and at the time it was like the most badass I don't know, video camera you could buy. It was more for videoing, not really for photographing.
Not really for photographing?
Not really for photographing, but it's like a pain in the ass to carry around because it's a huge camera with a big old lens. So we have got a smaller camera, Sony ZV-1. You guys look it up. It's supposed to be really good for vlogging. So we'll see how it works out. It's nice because it's small and compact, and it has a microphone on top already with a little dead cat on it. So we're going to test it out today, but today's video is going to be really interesting because I'm wearing a Shelby Super Snake t-shirt, and that really doesn't go along with what we're about to look at. So we'll see you guys over there. Look at that. Some F-bodies, some Corvettes.
Man, we can't fit.
And the truck's not gonna fit in there. Okay. We'll make our own parking lot over here. It's a nice area.
Yeah, we should eat here for lunch.
Look pretty busy.
That's a 2020. And this is a Z51 3LT. Every option.
Real.
I love the color.
Yeah.
Man.
I sent one 3 weeks ago, white, and the guy just got back from vacation with it. He got 28.5 miles to the gallon.
That's pretty good. That means he wasn't getting on it enough.
And he said every time he stopped for gas, it was a salute.
Oh yeah, I bet.
And he said he stopped at this one station up in Wyoming, kind of like a 7-Eleven, you know?
Yeah.
And when he comes back to go in, the gal says, "Hey, he's back! He's back!" And the other girl came out and they were looking at the car again.
That's awesome.
But he traded in a Lingenfelter Z06.
Oh really?
660 horse.
Nice.
Brand new C7.
Nice.
It's his 10th vet that he's bought from me.
Jeez.
Oh. I like the seatbelts that they match.
His was white. And the white,
Man.
God, it looks good on this.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
This color really stands out though.
Yes. And Larry's wheels were different, but they were a $1,500 ad.
Oof.
And they were like bright aluminum.
Oh really? Yeah, it's one thing. I don't really like the wheels too much.
You know, the new thing is black.
I know, yeah. Everyone's switching to it.
All black.
Man, that's pretty.
And Larry's motor is all burgundy.
Oh really?
That was another option.
Oh, I didn't know you could do that.
And here's an option.
That's cool.
They color-coded the seats.
That's sweet.
I mean, a lot of little things.
Oh yeah.
You know?
It's cool how you can spec it all out. Man, that color's awesome.
But we probably show it no less than 30 and no more than 50 times a day.
Really?
Yeah, I mean, the guys will drive by and turn around and come in.
Oh, yeah.
Because they've never seen one.
Yeah, this is the third one I've seen. I just haven't seen this color in person, so I wanted to see the color.
And the interior, God, that's pretty with that.
Yeah, I saw someone do the blue interior with the blue on the outside. It was a lot of blue.
Yeah.
How much is this one?
We just lowered it to 120.
Oh, okay, nice.
It was 125.
Oh, okay.
And Larry's was 105.
Nice.
But it wasn't quite as detailed
Yeah.
as this. It was a 2LP.
Oh, okay. Man, that's cool.
His didn't have the carbon fiber.
Yeah, I like the carbon fiber trim. That's nice.
Yeah, he's been looking at this and kind of thinking he's going to add some stuff.
Nice. Man, that color is sweet. When'd you get this one?
locally.
Oh, okay.
A friend of ours ordered it 5 months ago.
Oh, okay.
And we put him on the white one. He bought it, drove it for about 2 days, brought it in, and I sold it right away to Larry.
Nice.
So this one came in, and he just bought his wife $180,000 Mercedes for her birthday.
Nice.
A week before this came in.
Nice.
So she said, sell it, because I've got my Mercedes.
Got my birthday gift. That's cool. Got this Inferno Orange C6 Grand Sport. C6 Z06. Look at the orange though. Shoo. Ken Dog, what do you think?
It's very blue.
It is very blue. It looks sweet though.
I like the interior. Show me the inside.
Yeah, I showed you guys a little bit. Look at those competition seats with the carbon fiber. Super nice. I like the white leather.
Me too.
It's nice.
I probably wouldn't choose blue, but
I'm not a big blue fan either, but the blue does look killer on this car.
yeah.
I'm just, I really like C6s.
You would.
And I really like C7s. If only that was a Z06. But.
Comment down below if David should buy me that.
No, we're supposed to get you a Mustang. If you guys are new to the channel, we're supposed to get Kennedy a car at 50,000 subscribers. And she changes her mind all the time is the problem. So we can still comment down below because we're a little far away from 50,000 subscribers. So a Corvette could be in the books. Comment down below if it's a Mustang or a Corvette. I mean, you ultimately get to decide, right? Or do they? You guys get to decide. We'll buy and we'll just show up with it. Sorry, Kennedy.
I'm trying.
But yeah, if you got a C7 though, you got to get a Z06 or a ZR1.
All black, baby.
Can't be messing around. And then he's got, it's just a Grand Sport, but it is the Inferno Orange. Probably looks red on camera, but this is one of the best colors. One of our buddies has a ZR1 in that color. Super nice. Little black Z06 C6. You could drive that.
No.
Probably drop a valve the first time driving it.
Okay.
Corvette owners know that joke. It's really not a joke, actually. It's real life. Alright, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. I saw that Rapid Blue C8 and I just had to stop and look just because the color is so cool. I think the C8's cool in its own regards, and you know, it's kind of like the future of the Corvette, I guess you could say, but I still prefer a C6 or a C7. If you guys have ever seen any of my videos before, I really do like C6s and C7s. I do plan on owning one at one time in this lifetime, but that's not anytime soon. But I did really like that C8 driving by. I just had to stop and see that color. And the old guy that was selling them over at that dealership, super nice guy. He talked to us forever. And I stopped filming at one point because he just kept talking and talking and talking. But it was really cool to hear from people like that just have a wealth of information. And he wanted to tell me about the 1,500 Corvettes that he sold. So he was a really cool dude, and it was cool that he let us check it out. And the C8s are super impressive. My only problem with them is the price that goes along with them. Just, well, I don't think it really matches the car, especially when technically it's just, you know, kind of like a base model. It's really not a Z06 or a ZR1 or anything crazy special. So it'll be really interesting to see what those prices are like when those actually come out. But they will, of course, be some badass cars with a ton of horsepower. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys do like the C8, comment down below. If you guys like the C6 or C7 better, comment down below. I always want to hear your guys' thoughts. I've got some really good content coming up on the Mustang. We are getting prepped for a few races coming up, and some pretty big ones actually, which I'll announce here in the next upcoming videos, and some changes to the Mustang. As always, we're trying to get faster, trying to make the car more consistent, and so you guys will hear about those in the upcoming videos. But hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys on the next one.